Today we are here to celebrate Rohan and Samruddhi. The love story of Rohan and Samruddhi epitomizes the world that we are living in and the importance of the World Wide Web. Any young doctor gets very busy with his medical studies and residencies. He has no time or inclination for clubbing, movies and dating. So one day Rohan's parents suggested, gently, that perhaps he can find a bride the old-fashioned way. The arranged marriage is the tried and tested formula for Indian marriages. Now Rohan has always been a very reasonable and logical young man, so he agreed. In order to find the perfect match, if such a thing exists, the internet searches began. The popular matrimonial websites are Shaadi.com, MarathiMatrimony.com. One night at midnight, Rohan set eyes upon Samruddhi's web biodata and web picture. Magical things happen at midnight. आपल्या लावणीवाल्यांनी नाच केलेला आहे, वाजले की 12, मग उत्तरेकडचे पगडीवाले त्याचे पण 12 वाजत असतात. So Venus and Mars formed a straight line with Jupiter and the arrow of Cupid struck. Such is the power of destiny. Otherwise, what is the chance that this pretty young thing in Pune meets our dashing young man in Devi? So Rohan sent his first introductory email. Next morning in India, Samruddhi opened her eyes, her computer and the email in that order and saw his picture. They began emailing each other. They exchanged up to 24 emails and chat messages each day. Some married people in this room barely exchanged 24 words in one day with their spouse. Now during this online courtship period, for some reason Aruna suggested and Rohan agreed that they do not Skype each other, at least until after the engagement. And ka? Because good Marathi boys from good Marathi families do not Skype each other. Do not Skype good Marathi girls, okay? आणि पाटणकर घराण्याची मान मर्यादा आणि आबरू राखून ठेवली आपल्या रोहननी. असो, Samruddhi wanted to meet Rohan in person before committing herself. Now why did she want to meet him? He could have used his best friend's photo. He could have hired a ghostwriter to write all those exquisite love poems that he was sending to her. Maybe his charming voice was dubbed on the phone. Now Samruddhi was wrapping up a diploma course in London. So what did this young Missy do? Through the next song you will learn how she pleaded, she cajoled, she pouted, she lured him to London. And in the song she also summarizes her strengths. No girl discloses her weaknesses before marriage. Aruna's niece Madhavi is going to accompany me. My name is Samruddhi, 5'1", age 23. I'm in London for a degree. What say Rohan, wanna meet me? Me? माझं नाव समृद्धी, 5'1", age 23. I'm in London doing a course. बोला रोहन येऊन भेटतोस. मिशात मुलगी बालपणी कशी बदलले मोठेपणी. कॉलेजमध्ये पॉप्युलर मी भवती मित्र मैत्रिणी. मिशात मुलगी बालपणी कशी बदलले मोठेपणी. कॉलेजमध्ये पॉप्युलर मी भवती मित्र मैत्रिणी. दिल पर रख दे हाथ जरा हो जाए. दिल पर रख दे हाथ जरा हो जाए ना पागल तू. हृदयावर ठेव हात जरा माझ्या प्रेमात पडशील तू. माझं नाव समृद्धी, 5'1", age 23. I'm in London doing a course. बोलना रोहन येऊन भेटतोस. Lecture in symbiosis, dosas of course Vaishali. Marathi picture Alcala at shopping's best in Mandai. श्यामतावर hip hop केला, Spanish language class केले. पोळी भाजी उत्तम करते, पिझ्झा पास्ता and पिठले. दिल पर रख दे हाथ जरा हो जाए ना पागल तू.
हात जरा माझ्या प्रेमात पडशील तू माझं नाव समृद्धी 5 foot 1 age 23 I'm in London doing a tour बोला रोहन येऊ भेटतोस
In the face of all this feminine charm and convincing, Rohan was powerless and he took off for London. They met and walked hand in hand in Piccadilly. They sat in the cafes of Soho. Rohan explained to Samruddhi, I am a doctor. I am very focused on my work. I have no carefree time. I am really a very dull kind of guy. Samruddhi said, Salil mala. Okay? That's all right with me is what she said. Now, being a very disciplined kind of guy, in the next song, listen to how he emphasized the hardships in his life. Nitin, will you come and sing that, please?
Where do I begin to tell the story of how busy a life can be? The true life story of a doctor's soon-to-be, of rounds and calls and urgent patients yet to see. Where do I start? Waking up at 3, out the door, no shower, no time for coffee. 16 hours straight on my feet, no time to eat. Checking on heads and hearts and thrombosis of the feet. Reading patients' charts. Wearing shapeless scrubs in shades of green that really do not flatter me. Scrub cap, scrub mask when I'm doing surgery. No time to sleep, no social life to distract me. How long does it last?
So Samruddhi said in response, I will not be bored. I promise I will keep myself occupied. Now, Rohan being a man, he had just been playing hard to get. He had already made up his mind that he's going to marry her. So Rohan and Samruddhi decided to get married. The wedding preparations rolled forward. In the interim, her family in India made some saukasha, which is some discreet inquiries about her future in-laws through some common friends and relatives. Arre. If only they had asked us. We are their close friends. This is what we would have told them. The next song describes Aruna, Shirish and grandmother. सुन सुन समृद्धि तेरे लिए एक रिश्ता आया है सुन सुन समृद्धि तेरे लिए एक रिश्ता आया है सुन 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 रिश्ते में क्या गुण सुन समृद्धि सुन अच्छे घर का लड़का है पर बाप गाता है तानपुरे पे साल लगा के घंटों खाता है सितार घर में रखी है तबला भी बजाता है बाकी टाइम ससुर जी का ऑफिस में जाता है सुन 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 रिश्ते में क्या गुण सुन समृद्धि सुन सासू किसी हॉस्पिटल में ओटीपीटी है टूटी टांग पेशेंट की उसको भी चलाती है चैन से सोते पेशेंट को चिल्ला के जगाती है रोती सूरत देखी तो वो जोक सुनाती है सुन 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 रिश्ते में क्या गुण सुन समृद्धि सुन दादी माँ तो घर में सबकी बॉस होती है स्वयं पाक लॉन्ड्री करके कपड़े सिलाती है कंप्यूटर पे मराठी सीरियल देखती रहती है शिरीष अरुणा रोहन श्रीधर के प्यार में खिलती है सुन 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 रिश्ते में क्या गुण सुन समृद्धि सुन Okay, so they were married in India in February 2012 and 3 days later, Rohan flew back to the US. These newlyweds have lived apart for 17 months. So the next song talks about the pangs of separation of young love. बिछड़े अभी तो हम कल परसों जीऊंगी मैं कैसे इस हाल बरसों, तुम तो न आए तेरी याद क्यों आई,
हाय लंबी जुदाई, 4 दिनों का प्यार हो रखा, बड़ी लंबी जुदाई, लंबी जुदाई.
It has been a long separation for both of them. Anyways, all's well that ends well, and Samruddhi is now here with us. Now, Rohan and Samruddhi, if you can stand up. Rohan and Samruddhi, congratulations. In your married life, support each other, care for each other, continue your creative hobbies, focus on health and fitness, and remember to give time and attention to family members and friends, both near and far. As you make progress in life, put aside time and resources for the weaker sections of society. So Samruddhi, you are now part of this wonderful extended Patrankar family, which includes everybody in this room. Now, everybody please lift up your glasses and your forks. This is the time for the kiss. Rohan, you may kiss Samruddhi.
Oh yeah.
Does everyone here agree that Shirish and Aruna Patrankar are two solid pillars of our Marathi community? Yes, so if you agree, make some noise. And if you want them to kiss, make some more noise.
हो हमारे घर आई है बहू हमारी,
इंडिया के बस जेट में सवार,
हमारे घर आई हो, हमारे घर आई है बहू हमारी. हमने पूछा उसे कि कौन है तू, हंसी बोली कि मैं हूँ आपका प्यार, आपके दिल में थी हमेशा से, घर में आई हूँ आज पहली बार, हमारे घर आई हो, हमारे घर आई है बहू हमारी. उसके आने से हमारे आंगन में खिल उठे फूल, गुनगुनाई बहार, देख कर उसको जी नहीं भरता, चाहे देखो उसे हजारों बार, चाहे देखो उसे हजारों बार, हमारे घर आई हो, हमारे घर आई है बहू हमारी, है बहू हमारी.